Great Wolf Lodge in Grapevine, Texas. Huge hotel and indoor water park. Right, we're gonna do 50-54 Wolf Den. We are at the Great Wolf Lodge. Coming inside the room, we've got extra pillows. We got a iron with an ironing board, hangers. Right when you come in, you have the bathroom, which has a pretty tall shower head and the shower curtain that comes out. Has a toilet with all of your towels, your toilet paper extra. And it has the wolf themed light here. Okay. We have our sink with the tissue paper here. Towels right there. And of course you gotta have a hair dryer. You've got the paw print on the mirror. And here we have the camping site for the kids. You come in, it says Wolf Den. You got the bunk beds with a remote here. It's got the TV with the kids' videos. Up top you have the sun and moon. Whoa. And you've got characters all inside. And you've got soft pillows here on the edge. Got a mini refrigerator. All right, we've got a microwave, coffee maker, ice canister, big giant trash can. You're able to change your AC. Right now it's set on 68 with the AC vent there. It's got outdoor themed, queen size bed. Oh, this is really nice. Look at this. In the end tables, you have 2 plugs and 2 USB chargers and more plugs here, so you have tons of ability to charge. Got a flat screen TV with lots of storage here, a little desk or a little table with chairs, end table, pull-out couch, which is a full-size bed. And it also comes with a safe, so you can keep all of your belongings safe. And a beautiful view of the outdoor water park. Now this one here actually has an outdoor water park and an indoor water park, which is pretty amazing. And the property is actually pretty big. That's great. Branded conditioner, shampoo, and the body lotion, as well as paw-shaped soap. And they even have a Great Wolf channel with just content for kids. One thing that you gotta be aware of is here inside the room, the stuff is super loose, and it was actually really hard to turn on the hot water, and it was scalding because it was loose. You gotta be really careful. And the water, even just taking a shower, started backing up all the way and filling up because I guess the plumbing was kind of clogged in there. So you gotta be kind of careful. Really excellent view up top, and look at this. Downstairs, they have water basketball, center water island. They've got a couple of water slides. And then over here, they even have a huge, giant rope course. Just went ahead and started this bathtub, and this one drains pretty good. So I guess that was only a room thing. And we really like that all the rooms have the little paw print soap that comes in the dish.
So you get a bag and then these are the different things that you can get.
All the different
gems.
Okay.
And it explains it in a bag.
Whoa.
And then you put it in here, so you're gonna mine it.
Oh my goodness.
Put it in. All right, Alexander.
Whoa.
All right.
Just dump it in there. Whoa, you see one already? You gotta rinse it.
Alright.
How do you do it? You dip it in there or what?
Yeah, and like this. Don't hold it on the both sides.
Whoa, it's the sleuth. Oh, you see him in there? Whoa, look at all the jam. No, I'm okay, thank you. Wow.
Which one Alexander got? Look, it's going down, look. This is how you mine, look. This is how they did it.
In the gold rush days.
Look, it's going down there.
Whoa, dirty hand.
Look, look, you go like this. Go like that. Come on. Not
Gentle, gentle. Okay, lift it up a little bit. Lift it up a little bit. Whoa. Let's see what you got. Wow. Let's see which ones you got. Whoa. You get any diamonds in there?
Yeah.
All right.